Hi. Hello. Hi. Yeah, so hi. I have been like doing pretty good these past couple of days. Yeah, so I kind of solved all my problems, so I'm feeling a little better and I'm feeling good. Yeah, and I also changed my friendship bracelet. Like I bought beads recently and I changed the beads of my friendship bracelet and also the yeah, so I'm still wearing lover friendship bracelet and I just changed the beads. Yeah, and now I have this moon, star, and heart bead with the lover, which is like engraved in gold, and the blue beads. Yeah, so I have this now, and yeah, I bought these from Sapna Book House. I had gone there like I think couple of days ago, and I bought this from there. Yeah, bought this beads from there, and it's like I'll show it to you. I bought so many things recently. Yeah, I would love to show you my haul because I love showing my haul. Yeah, so yeah, let me show you the things that I bought. Firstly, I bought this. What is it called? What is it called? It's called Mary Jane pump. I don't know, Mary Jane pump ballerinas. Yeah, this is how it is, and it's like so nice. See, I absolutely love this. It's like so nice. Yeah, this is the one, and I absolutely love this. It is like so nice. Yeah, so I bought this from H&M recently. I bought it to wear with my I showed you my skirt, my universe skirt, so I bought it to wear with that. Yeah, and also I bought a sequin dress which I told you I'll buy last time. So I bought the dress. It's like a sequin mini dress. The sequins are like huge in it. Yeah, so this is the dress, and it's like at the top it's kind of like this, and it's kind of like this, which is like mini dress, and it's like so nice when I wear it. I look like universe. Yeah, so I absolutely love this dress. Oh, I don't know when I will wear it and if there will ever be an occasion to wear it, but I'm just being hopeful. Yeah, so that's why I bought this, and it's like so nice, and I absolutely love this. Yeah, so I absolutely love this dress, and it reminds me of the universe. That's why I bought this. It's so good. And I also bought a skirt. I bought that from H&M, and also bought like a skirt. I bought this skirt from H&M. Let me show it to you. It's a mini skirt. It's light pink, and it has like pockets in the front. Yeah, so it's like a mini skirt, like with an elastic and mini, and the material is amazing and it's nice. Like I really like wearing it. I just wore it just once, and it's actually nice. It looks nice. I think I should not wear it quite often because yeah, I feel that I should not wear it quite often because I would like to keep it for wearing it when I go somewhere like important or something. Yeah, I would like to keep it for that. So I bought these from H&M recently, and I also bought like a lounge pant. Yeah, so I bought this lounge pant. So I bought this lounge pant. It's like yeah, so it's like a plain black lounge pant, which is like so loose and light cotton material. I absolutely love this. I bought this from H&M, and it's like amazing. Yeah, and I had to cut it at the bottom because it was like so long, so I had to like cut it and put make it short. Yeah, and also bought few things from Sapna Book House, but let me show it to you. Yeah, so I bought this the cake, color cake. My niece used it, so that's why it's like dirty, but I never used it. I would love to use it. My niece used it. I think I have to buy another one or something. I don't know, but this is the cakes, color paint cakes that I bought. Yeah, and I also bought these things. This is a canvas. I would love to paint something on this. I bought this today, and it's just like 138 or something. I bought all these from Sapna Book House. So I would love to paint something on this. I absolutely love this canvas. I would love to paint something on this. Yeah, and I bought these fridge magnets. This is so cute, right? Yeah, I absolutely love this. It's so cute. And I also bought this, a unicorn, and it's like so cute. And this is like the best one. It's like a snowman and a little girl. It's like so cute. I bought that from Sapna Book House. And I also bought this. I bought this pouch to carry my book whenever I go out. So I can carry my book inside this. I can keep my pencil and all the tabs and everything, bookmark, everything inside this. I can keep my book safely inside my bag in this. It's like so cute, right? I bought this from Sapna Book House and it's like so nice and it looks so good. Yeah, and I also bought this coloring book from there. This is a coloring book. I already have a yellow one which I showed you last time, but my niece is using it, so I thought, okay, let me buy another one for me and let my niece use the other one. So I bought this, and yeah, this is the coloring book, and it's like so nice. It's just like 200 rupees, and it's like so nice. It's nice to color sometimes, like when I'm like stressed or something, I just sit and color and it feels so good. And this is the bead set that I bought from Sapna Book House. And also, this is the alphabets, and it's like engraved in gold, and the colors are pastel colors, and it's like so cute. Yeah, I absolutely love this. I saw this and I was like, yeah, I want it. And this is the bead set that I bought. So I don't know how much is it. I think it's 2K or something. And this is the DIY bead set that I bought. And it's like so nice. There are so many beads and I absolutely love this color. Yeah, all the colors are so nice. And I also bought this I bought it separately. Like there's like moon and there's like heart and there's like star and all that. Yeah, there's like star and all that. Like I can make whatever friendship bracelet that I like. And there's like alphabets here and all the colors here, which is like so nice. Yeah, and also along with this they will also give you this pouch with the thread and also a scissor. Yeah, and it's like so handy and so cute. I love this set. I love making friendship bracelets. So yeah, and I always wear it. So I love this set, and I made this friendship bracelet, which is like so nice. See, it's like so nice, right? And I absolutely love this. Yeah, so these are the things that I bought. So yeah, those are the things that I bought, and I also bought like a light gray lounge pant. Yeah, it's I put it for wash, so I cannot show you. It's extremely light. It's very light gray, and it's like so loose. I bought it from H&M. Yeah, so my lounge pant kind of tore, my favorite lounge pant, and the other lounge pants that I bought, it's kind of like very old. It's become old now. I bought it 1 year ago, and it's become so old. So I thought, okay, let me just buy new lounge pants. So I bought a very light gray lounge pant, and I also bought this black pant. Yeah, so I bought those things, and yeah, so today I thought like, okay, let me just go for a movie, but then there's only like Gladiator 2, and right, I don't like violence. Like if I have someone to go with, probably I will watch it, but if I want to go alone, I don't prefer watching all these movies which has violence. Like I need some like emotional support to watch those movies, and if there was someone to watch it with, yeah, I will definitely go for all these movies, but I do not want to go for it alone. And since I don't watch or read such books or movies like voluntarily, like I love watching the edits of it. Like I love watching all these edits on YouTube and Instagram of all these movies and stuff. Like yeah, like even if I don't like um read it, I do educate myself by watching all these reels and reading about it. And yeah, like reading about it online and watching the reels. And I love the songs. Yeah, like I do like all those things even if I don't watch it. For whatever reason it is, mostly it's because I don't like violence. And if I have someone to watch it with, maybe I would. But yeah, and tomorrow this movie is releasing, right? Like Wicked. I would love to watch that movie Wicked. So yeah, I would love to watch that tomorrow. I'll probably go for it. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. I don't know if I'll go for it. And also, like today, I got some reading done. Why? Because I decided that I'm going to read at least for 1 hour, like minimum 1 hour every day. So, what I did to actually make it happen is that I usually listen to like song or instrumental music when I'm reading, and it's usually the same song, my sleep song that I listen to on repeat when I'm reading. So, what I did is like I play that song and I put a timer that the song will turn off in 1 hour. So I put a timer, and since till the song completes 1 hour, again and again, looping till it like completes 1 hour, I will read. So since I did that, I was able to get some reading done. That's a very like useful thing for me to read. And also like there's another thing on Audible, right? Like you can put a timer where however long you want to listen to. That's like the best way to get some like reading done for me, I feel. Because yeah, but otherwise I'll just like read one chapter and just chuck the book, because most of the time I won't be interested. And these days I was like, okay, let me just get into routine, do some productive things. So this is the like a hack that I found, that to get some reading done. So it's actually worked today, so it's really good that it worked. Yeah, so yeah, I got some reading done, and I'm just like happy with how the story is going. Yeah, so I absolutely love how Daisy broke up with Tiller. She held him on gunpoint. Like she took out the gun and she like held him on gunpoint. It was like amazing. And then there was Christian there, and Christian and Daisy kiss in front of Tiller, and Tiller's like, "What is happening?" And then she takes out her gun and holds him on gunpoint, and then Christian takes out his gun, and he'll be like, pointing it on Tiller. And everyone, like, they will be in a pub filled with police officers, and all the police officers takes out their gun. That's like amazing. And then Tiller tries to hurt Daisy, and then Daisy will be like, "No, I don't give up. I will destroy you." Like that was amazing. The breakup was like so Daisy-ish, like it was very nice. And there's like another scene in this book where um I don't know, like where is it, like I don't remember exactly what happens. So there's another scene where Daisy and Magnolia gets drunk together, and then Daisy will be like, like saying that Magnolia was actually braiding her hair and telling her that her brother is not a gang lord, like trying to convince her that her brother is not a gang lord by braiding her hair. And that was like so funny. And there's another funny scene where like kind of like what's his name, Julian, kind of ends it with Magnolia temporarily. Julian ends it with Magnolia temporarily. And then yeah, and then like Magnolia will be getting ready, where all these people will be there in the party, BJ and Julian. And then Bridget will be like, do you want to go to the party where both the men rejected you, to impress both the men who rejected you, and like get some attention? Or do you want to just sit at home and like process your feelings and all that stuff? Do you want to do that? And then Magnolia starts laughing all of a sudden, and Magnolia will be like, "Thank you, Bridget, I needed that." Like she kind of like takes it in a funny way, which is like so funny. Like when I was reading it, I was laughing because it was like so funny. And then yeah, the whole thing, like whenever Magnolia is there in the picture, it's like so funny. Yeah, like she's like amazing. I absolutely love Magnolia and BJ. And I love this book also. There's absolutely nothing wrong with this book. This book is also really good. um it's just that it gets a bit heavy in this book because it's about gang lords, right? And criminals and all that. So it does get a bit heavy when I'm reading it. Like some of the things that happens in this book is a bit heavy, like serious kind of topics. So all those things happen. What else happened? I think that's it. Now, Christian and Daisy are together now. Christian finally tells her that he loves her, and he tells her that he's always loved her, which was very nice. Um, yeah, that was actually very, very nice. He's always loved her. And Magnolia, yeah, Magnolia makes him say that kind of. Yeah, that was nice. And then, yeah, that's it, I guess. There are so many quotes in this, which is actually really good. I absolutely love this quotes. I'm not gonna read it out to you. I'll probably post it on my Instagram or something. Yeah, all this was very nice. I think there's only like 100 pages or something left. I would love to finish it today or tomorrow and start another book, and also read Magnolia Parks Into the Dark. Yeah, so I would love to read that. I'm like waiting to read that because yeah, yeah. So that happened. Yeah, so the timer thing is very useful. Like keep a timer, and when the song is playing, as long as the song is playing, get some reading done. That's how I got my reading done today, and I was like, yeah, that was a very good idea. Yeah. So that happened, and then yeah, these days I'm like eating healthy. Not just these days, I always eat healthy, and I also eat unhealthy food here and there, now and then. Yeah, so that's good. And my newfound love is hash brown. I have started liking hash brown a lot. I don't know where it's originated from. Yeah, I really like hash brown. I kind of had it for the first time last year when I went to McDonald's. And today also I had it, and it's so good. Yeah, and yeah, so these things happen, and I love watching edits. I'll be like watching edits like all the time. Yeah, even if I don't watch it, like don't watch the series or the movies or whatever it is, I just watch edits, and I think that's the best part, right? Like watching edits. Yeah, like after you watch the movie, like keep watching edits, like it's so amazing. Yeah, and I went for Kal Ho Na Ho the other day, and I just came back. Yeah, I didn't watch it completely. I came back after the interval because it reminded me of the time when I was going to die. Not funny, but yeah, why are you laughing then? Okay, yeah, it reminded me of the time when I was going to die, and then I was like, no, I don't want to watch it now because I will break down. So I just started using my phone and then just came back. Yeah, so all that happened, and then what else happened? I don't know what else happened. What else happened? Hmm. What else happened? Yeah. So I think that's it. That happened. Let me see. Yeah, and also another thing is that like I saw this book of Little Women, the classic Little Women in Sapna Book House, and they have this amazing cover. I think it's like a special edition, and it has all these like little flowers and a tiny bird, and it's like a hardcover book, and it's like so beautiful. I saw that book, and I was just looking at it and staring at it the entire time. It was like so beautiful, that book. I didn't buy it because I don't know. I thought I'll just watch the movie instead of reading the book. Yeah, so that's why I didn't buy it. And but the book is like so amazing. And I also saw this book. I saw so many books today which I would love to read. I didn't buy it because I already have a lot of books on my TBR. So I didn't buy those books. But yeah, I saw a lot of books, and I would love to read them. So I would slowly get to it. First, I want to finish my TBR, and then I will buy those books. So I have actually made a mental note of those books. Yeah, so I will first finish my TBR and then read them. Yeah. So yeah, that's what happened. And also I want to tell you that I don't know, I really like the way African Americans speak their English. I love their accent, the way they speak. It's like so amazing the way they speak. It's really nice. I love the way they speak, the African American accent. And I also love American accent. I love American accent. And I love British accent. I love Australian accent. I actually love everything. I love all languages. Yeah, so I think I speak like the way I speak is so gay, right? Like I feel I speak like a gay person in America. Like I have an American gay accent. I feel I speak like that. I don't know if it's true, but I feel I speak like that. Yeah, like I don't know, I keep changing my accent. Like it's not like changing my accent, it's just that, like I just go with the flow. Like I didn't know how to speak for a very long time, and now I know how to speak, but I'm not like consistent. Like sometimes I just go high and low and like over animated and very dull, and like sometimes I speak like a gay person. Like I sound so gay sometimes. Yeah, like, and sometimes it's all nice. So yeah, yeah, I think that's it that I would like to tell you. I think tomorrow I will probably go for Wicked, or maybe this weekend I'll go for Wicked. I don't know. It depends on my mood. Yeah, I want to watch that movie. So yeah, I'll probably do that. Yeah, so I think that's it that I would love to tell you. Yeah, so I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, please do like, share, subscribe, because it's all free and it'll make me happy. So I'll see you. Bye. I'm like waving like a crazy person. Bye.